with KG Realty Group. Thank you so much for coming in. What we're going to do right now is show you one of our projects. We're renovating a house that was a little bit on the riskier side for us. So I'm not sure if you guys have seen that show, Zombie Houses, but this was definitely a zombie house. So what we're going to do is show you phases because basically if we can renovate this house, we can do anything. This was not just one of those things where we could just paint and walk away. So we're going to walk in and I'm going to show you what's been done so far. So let me show you here. And I'm also going to show you guys some pictures of the before this was all done. So right now we've torn out all the floors and basically torn out all the walls. And what we're going to do is build in some insulation for these walls because these walls were all brick, so they had no insulation. We had to do a total reflooring model, so we're going to be doing total plumbing, total electricity, basically almost building this house from the ground up. This house is from the 1930s, and it is in a small town in Texas. So let's take a look at it. So let's see. So hopefully I don't die while showing you these things. So that's going to be the hallway. Let's take a look at that. And this is where our AC unit will be. Look at that. All right. I have my camera guy follow me. All right. So this is going to be the living room. This is going to be the living room. And right now, as you can see, you know, the windows are boarded. There was no AC. So we're going to knock out all of that, change out the windows completely, and also again build out so we can do some insulation. We're going to knock out this wall to kind of open it up, bring out the living room in this place. And then this is the kitchen. So the kitchen, we're going to have the sink here. And again, this wall is going to be knocked out so you can actually view the kitchen. We're also going to have the oven over here and a possible dishwasher here or an island. We're still trying to figure that out, so bear with us on that. And this used to actually be the pantry. So what it's going to be now is where the washer and dryer unit is going to be. The washer and dryer unit used to be over here, you know, where everybody could see the washer and dryer in the kitchen, but you know, that's a no-go. So what we want to do is contain the washer and dryer in this place. And this is, I want to say this will be the guest bedroom. Yes, this is the guest bedroom. So again, you know, you're going to see the phase of the whole rebuilding up. And I'm just going to wrap this up for you guys and show you phase 2. So stay tuned for that. And this is KG with KG Realty Group, and I'll see you next time.